Alright, look guys. This is double bridges. This is about a half mile of double bridges. Last time this happened, it was 2001, maybe 2000. That's about 2 inches of water running across the road. Where those bridges are, it drops from right here about 3 feet. 1 foot of water can take you over the side of that bridge. I don't care how much of a man you think you are, you do not ever want to attempt this. Ever. Dangerous. And there's no signs out here. OPSO is busy everywhere else. Highway Department is busy everywhere else. This is Caples Road. Do not try to cross this. Be safe, everybody.